the question, please? Yeah. So that's for you, Dr. Hiten Chaudhary. So therefore, there's a lot of excitement. AI, what will it do? Will it disrupt? Will it, oh, okay, will coexist? Oh, it's only tension, nothing much to worry. What is it? Are we underestimating something? And what is that we are overestimating? Both the ends of the spectrum.
Okay, that's a good question. And since we have a student audience, so my answer also will be a little student-centric. Basically, when we are talking about, there are two parts to this question. First part is, are we overestimating? And the other one is, are we underestimating? So talking about overestimating, okay, many of us, there is a illusion, and then I've heard many people saying that probably artificial intelligence, the way it is growing, you all are using it. The moment we ask a question, it gives us the answer immediately. Many people will not be able to do so. If you ask me a question within a fraction of a second, I'll not be able to answer like the way AI does. So the thing is that, there's a thought that people think that, okay, probably after a few years or so, AI is going to be almost at par with the intelligence that we have, human beings, and probably after some more years, AI will overtake us. So is that going to happen actually? But that is not a reality. Human beings, human intelligence is something much. We have a wide range of intelligence spectrum. The spectrum is really wide in case of human beings. We've got emotional intelligence and so many things that are there with us. And when we look at YouTube channels and YouTube videos and all, every now and then these videos keeps on popping out saying that they are making us nervous all the time, saying that if you are not having this AI skill, that AI skill,
Yeah.
you'll be out of the market.
Absolutely.
You're nowhere. So is it like alarmist kind of a approach? Probably yes, because I think like many of us may think that if we engage with AI, if we learn AI tools, only then we will be relevant. But we should always remember one thing, that AI is not something that has evolved on its own and then has reached this level that we are in right now.
Yeah.
AI has been like the current state where AI is in right now is because of human beings only. It's because of human intelligence.
Yeah.
We are the people who have developed AI. But only thing is that why it is able to do for so fast, because it is based on semiconductor devices and things like that, electronic devices. We human beings are not wired like that. It'll do things much faster. So when it comes to speed, probably machines and these AI devices, agents and all those will be much faster than us. But when it comes to intelligence, it will be human beings always. And basic fundamental concepts, basic knowledge, like the theory behind artificial intelligence, agents and all, concepts, statistical concepts, correlation, regression, and then all these standard deviation, all these concepts that are making our AI agents more and more powerful. Those concepts have to be there. So as students, I believe that, like when I said my answer will be student-centric, I believe that those technique skills, those foundational knowledge that keeps us human, basically something that makes us human will be more important later. We will definitely have, AI we have to use, no other way, because if there is something, there's a washing machine which is there in front of you, and if you have the clothes, you'll not wash on your own hands.
Correct.
Definitely you'll use the washing machine.
Yeah.
So if we have AI with us, we will definitely use it as an aid for our thought process to evolve, to make our work easier. But it'll definitely not be able to replace what we are doing, human skills. So basic foundational concepts are very important. In the future, those people who have good foundational background, whose background is very strong, they will be able to survive better. Of course, AI will help us in that. Now, with regards to your second part of the question,
What are you
are we
overestimating?
underestimating?
Underestimating, yes. Yeah.
Okay, probably there are certain ways in which we are underestimating, which is that like when it comes to jobs and things like that, we are probably underestimating that AI will not be able to impact certain kind of our jobs,
Yeah.
like those jobs where physical involvement are required.
Correct.
Those jobs, like for instance, a plumber's job, an electrician's job. These kind of jobs actually requires your presence, your meticulous observation and things like that. Your hands-on skills are required. So those kind of jobs probably AI will not be able to replace or will not have impact on. But when I see, if I want to bring in a different kind of a perspective, say, if, I can see, some construction is happening in my house. I see some laborers that are working in my place, and I see that they are working, but not like those laborers that used to work before. On one hand, they have the mobile phone, they are watching reels and all, and on the other hand, they are working. So I can see that happening now. So that is the kind of impact AI is having in a different way. In a different way, AI is impacting us, of course. And because of that, probably we will have a generation, if we are not mindful about our presence, if we are distracted more. See, computers are already distracting us. This device, you can see young children, they are
Continuously on it.
continuously
Yeah.
they are watching reels after reels, we don't know what. So now with AI, with agents and all getting installed in our devices, that attention span of ours, like the
Absolutely.
device is going to consume more of our time, because the interactive experience that the device gives
Correct.
us. So basically, because of that, we are going to lose a lot of our attention, and then we will not be able to focus on some of the main things that we are actually work on. Some of the, like as I said, a mason, he's supposed to work, he has got a lot of artistic things he has to focus on, but because of this, probably AI will impact that way, if not directly. So this is something that we are underestimating, and if we are like, adopting AI everywhere, we are making it available to everybody, then this is some of the harmful aspect that probably we will have.
Yeah, uncontrolled and
Right,
yeah,
uncontrolled.
yeah, correct. Okay, so we understood the AI domain.